right, good morning. We are on our way to K-Talk radio stations. It is time for our radio show. And so we are heading down to the stations. We've got Lance Polson, who is going to be our guest today. Lance Polson is a friend of mine. He's also an insurance agent, and more importantly, he is a real estate investor. Lance Polson has a portfolio of rental properties. He fixes and flips houses. And here's why that's important. Because if you're going to get involved in real estate, I think personally, a really good idea, a great tip, is when you start building your power team of contractors, electrician, plumber, insurance agent, real estate agent, whoever. When you start building your power team for real estate, I think a great idea is to hire people who also invest in real estate. And the reason is because, for example, let's take Lance Polson. If he is an insurance agent and a landlord who owns a portfolio of rental properties, I'm pretty sure he's researched the best landlord policies or investing policies for himself, because he is an investor himself, so that if one was to go to him to get insurance on their investment properties, he's going to probably be super knowledgeable on the best type of insurance packages that are out there. Same with contractors. You know, if your contractors understand what the game is, trying to keep costs down for a flip or for a rental, but to keep things safe and habitable, nothing dangerous. We don't want to cut corners to create anything that's going to be dangerous, but we also don't want to overspend. If our contractors are also doing the game, then they understand what we're trying to do versus really just doing something that's going to be super expensive, which may not be as beneficial from a landlord or a flipper type scenario. Again, just for the record, we always want to make sure our properties are clean, safe, and habitable, right? We want to make sure things are done correctly. But having said that, you can definitely get two contractors that come in and give you two different bids, one that's going to deck out the house further than necessary for your exit strategy, whether you're going to rent it out or flip it, where another contractor can come based off of them also knowing the game, because they're an investor themselves, doing something that's going to be more affordable, more economical. So if you're going to start building a power team because you want to start investing in real estate, then I highly recommend building a power team of individuals that already invest themselves, because they're going to understand what your goals are, what you're trying to do. And so today's the first day we've ever had an insurance agent come in on the show and share. We've had flippers come on, hard money lenders, just normal mortgage broker, loan officer lenders. We've had all sorts of type of landlords, all sorts of different types of investors that have come in. But we've never had an insurance agent who's an investor. So it should be a good show if you're thinking about getting involved into real estate investing and you're curious to know the insurance side of it, because you definitely need insurance, because you definitely don't want to be uninsured if that house burns down or whatever. You're definitely going to want to check out the show with Lance Polson, the insurance agent. I think you're going to really enjoy the show. All right.